Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share my favorite healthy summer snack ideas with you. These are all easy snacks to keep in your pantry, in your kitchen, so when those summer I'm hungries happen all through the summer break, you've got a whole lot of ideas of foods to keep stocked with so that the kids are nourished with as healthy foods as possible. And I've got a blog post down below that has all of these ideas and more, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your favorite healthy summer snacks. So we're going to start over here with lentil chips. My kids adore these lentil chips. I feel they're healthier than having crisps, so I keep them in the pantry and we'll go through a bag every few weeks. Every now and then it's just a really nice treat either to have when we're at home, or I'll pop one into my bag, or a couple into my bag, so when we're out and about it means we've got a snack to kind of keep us going between meals, so we don't have to buy expensive food while we're out and about. I've got eggs at the back over there. I always keep a bowl full of hard-boiled eggs in my fridge, and the kids quite enjoy hard-boiled eggs as a snack. I've got peanut butter over there. They might have some plain rice cakes or a wrap with some peanut butter, or maybe I'll make one of my peanut buttery treats and use the peanut butter in that. It's nice and high in protein, creamy, full of healthy fats. I've got cans of tuna over there. I've mentioned this before on my channel. One of my kids will gladly just open a can of tuna and eat it with a fork, so that's as easy as that. But you might like to get those flavored tuna cans or make a little tuna salad as a good healthy snack. I've got cheese over there, all kinds of cheese. You might like to get string cheese, those Baby Bell cheeses. There's lots of cheese options. You could have some cream cheese, ricotta, cottage cheese that you can make a little quick snack with if you'd like, or just make a little cheese plate with all different cheeses as a nice healthy snack. This is a nice treat. I keep these again in the pantry, and when they're wanting something a little bit sweeter, they're dark chocolate and orange coated rice cakes. I do a lot of baking, so I do usually have something maybe lurking as well that's homemade, but it's just good to have an option that again we can take out and about with us or keep at home as a healthy snack. You can get plain rice cakes that you can spread, or there's all kinds of flavored ones. We quite like these dark chocolate and orange coated rice cakes. And of course, being summer, there's all the summer fruit in the supermarket now. I'm finding all the good summer fruit out, and my lovely strawberries that I got, Wexford strawberries, nice and fresh. They smell so good. So summer is a great time to stock up on all those abundant berries and have them as a snack. You can make a whole fruit salad or just grab a handful of berries as a lovely healthy summer snack. And yogurt, some strawberry yogurts my kids really like, so I always keep these 4 yogurt packages in the fridge, and then they can just grab a yogurt to have as a healthy snack that's really filling. Can add a bit of granola, nuts and seeds to it if you'd like, or chia seeds, make a chia pudding. Lots and lots of ideas. Or just enjoy this lovely strawberry Greek style yogurt by the spoonful as a healthy summer snack. Speaking of nuts, we've got cashews over here, cashews, and I've got pumpkin seeds. Nuts, seeds make a brilliant healthy snack. You can make a whole trail mix, get all the nuts, all the seeds, maybe some chocolate chips and some dried fruit, and make a whole trail mix. Everyone in the beginning of the week can make up a whole trail mix of their own in a container to be able to just grab whenever they're feeling a bit snacky. And as far as vegetables go, I've got a nice cucumber over here, which my kids like, but you might also like to get some carrot or some celery, tomato, make up a salad, or get a nice dip that you all like and dip some vegetables in as a lovely snack that's nice and summery. These seaweed crisps make another healthy snack. I got these from my local health store. They make a great snack to keep, to grab and go if you're a seaweed or sushi fan. They're just crispy seaweed little crunchy bites. My chocolate, I love this 85% chocolate that's individually wrapped, so they can just grab a row if they're feeling like something chocolatey. And finally, I've got these protein bars. I do like to make my own granola bars. I've shared a recipe for some super easy granola bars that only have 4 ingredients, but if I don't have time to make those, or we want to take something out and about with us, I keep these protein, 10 grams of protein, healthy-ish bars instead of having a chocolate bar. The kids quite enjoy them, and it makes a nice snack to keep to hand for the long summer days. But that is the video for today with my healthy summer snack ideas. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your favorite healthy summer snack, And remember to check down below for a link to the blog post that has all of these ideas and more. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.